Your eyes snap open inside a frosted glass pod. Ice crystals coat the inside of your cryosleep chamber. The ship's lights flicker, red, then yellow, then red again. A digital timer on the wall reads 217 years remaining. Your pod lid hisses and cracks open 6 inches. Freezing air rushes across your naked skin. Your fingers are blue at the tips. The other 99 pods in the chamber remain sealed and dark. Their occupants sleep while you suffocate in thin, recycled air. The ship's computer voice stutters through damaged speakers. You have 72 hours of oxygen left. But there's a protocol hidden in the maintenance deck that nobody told you about. Your legs collapse when you climb out. Muscle atrophy makes your thighs feel like wet rope. The metal floor is so cold it burns your bare feet. You drag yourself to a silver emergency locker. Inside hangs a thermal suit made of reflective orange fabric. You pull it on with shaking hands. The metal corridor stretches ahead for 300 meters. Blue emergency strips glow along the floor edges. Every 10th light panel is dead. You pass windows showing endless black space, scattered with distant stars. A coffee cup floats past your head in zero gravity. Someone's wedding ring drifts by, spinning slowly. The ship is losing pressure through a hull microfracture. Your ears pop as air leaks into the void. The medical bay door is sealed with yellow hazard tape. Inside are IV bags filled with nutrient gel. Your stomach cramps from 2 centuries of sleep. The ship's garden module shows dead brown plants behind frosted glass. All the vegetables turn to brittle skeletons. Find the manual override panel in the engine room. It's a red box with a white cross mounted beside the reactor coolant pipes. Inside are 3 physical switches made of brass. Flip the first switch down to wake the backup AI. Do not flip all 3 at once or you'll vent the entire ship's atmosphere. The second switch activates emergency rations stored in wall compartments. Protein bars wrapped in silver foil drop from ceiling hatches. Each bar contains 1,000 calories and tastes like cardboard mixed with vitamins. Eat half a bar every 6 hours. Your stomach will reject more. The third switch unlocks the crew manual stored in a waterproof yellow case. Page 47 explains how to enter hibernation torpor without a pod. You need the medical bay. Inject yourself with the blue vial labeled Somnaril. It slows your heart to 15 beats per minute. Your body temperature drops to 68 degrees. Wrap yourself in the thermal blanket made of gold mylar. Seal yourself inside an emergency rescue ball. It's a clear plastic sphere with an oxygen scrubber. You'll sleep for years using almost no resources. Set a proximity alarm to wake you when the ship nears the destination star. The alarm is a metal box with a green button. Press it twice to activate. Do not use the red vial labeled Adrenaline Plus. That's for emergencies only. It will keep you awake but burn through your oxygen in days. Your rescue ball seals with a soft click. The sphere fills with cool, sterile air. Through the transparent shell, you watch the ship corridor fade to darkness. Your heartbeat slows to a distant drum. The stars beyond the windows streak into lines as the ship accelerates. Your breathing becomes shallow and quiet. The destination planet waits 216 years ahead. You'll wake when its yellow sun fills the windows.